Here you can see how they are spraying the fireproofing, the metal beams to protect it against the fire. In the meantime, we keep working in the outside with the civil work. Here we have the trench that is coming from the Dixie Highway street and all the way to the building. That way we're gonna connect to the sewer work that they did inside the property. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell, so we can give you more update on how we build the 5-story building. Thanks for watching.